Hello everyone, I'm here with Vicky. It's one of my students, and we want to share with you a small practice. Are you ready to practice with us? So let's find our space. Let's align ourselves. Palm of the hands facing to the back. Keep your elbows relaxed and flexible. Your knees flexible, holding a balloon. And I'm going to share with you two movements that have been practiced this year. Is from the sequence we call Shibashi. We are going to train the first and the last, the opening and the close of this sequence. So to start the movement, let's relax first. Feel your legs heavy and the part of your body light. And as you breathe in, it's like painting a screen. Imagine your hands like a paintbrush, and we are going to paint. So as you breathe in, hands up, turn your hands to the screen and breathe out. Then breathe in and out. Just find your flow, your rhythm, and try to relax your shoulders. Use the wrists, elbows, relax more down when you move your arms up. Every movement you can imagine a color. One more time. Now turn the hands facing up, breathe in. In front of your chest, turn the hands facing to the floor, breathe out. Again, like collecting a ball, bring the ball up or a balloon up. Turn the balloon to the floor and move as you breathe out. Breathe in and out. Just synchronize movement, breathing, and the mind is seeing the movement. Balloon up, balloon down. Okay, one more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Then again, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and out. One more time, breathe in and out. Now let's massage the hands. And then massage the face up and down like washing the face for the first time. Open and close your hands as you move up and down. And then circles, opening and closing your hands as you do circles around your face. And then the nose, up and down, same time. Just put your hands and fingers on the nose and same time, hands goes up and goes down. Okay, then massage again the hands. Now let's massage the neck, one hand. And then switch. Okay, now let's massage again the hands. Now right hand on the left shoulder, circles. Shoulders, trapezium. And then switch. Okay, hands on the waist, let's doing circles, a few circles to one side. And change the direction. Okay, let's center, relax, and let's breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. The next one, let's bring the hands together on the top. Just bring now in front of your chest. And I want to ask you if Vicky wants to share a meditation.
Sure, I'd love that.
You love?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to exchange the micro. I'm going to.
Oh, no, I'm not going to do a meditation. No.
No?
No, I thought you were going to guide it.
No, it's you running.
No.
Okay. So thank you. Namaste.
Namaste.
See you on the next video. Thank you.